Good morning, my dear students. Let us see lesson number 1, basic concepts in geometry. In previous video, we have seen coordinate of points and distance and examples on it. Now let us see next point, betweenness. Betweenness means a point which is between the 2 points. So let us see. If P, Q are three distinct collinear points, there are three possibilities. Number 1, C, P, Q are these 3 points are distinct in which are collinear. Collinear means they lie on the same line or in the straight line. Now here point Q is the between the points P and R. So here we can write point Q is between P and R. Therefore, here we can write distance between PQ plus distance between QR is equal to distance between PR. So distance between PQ plus distance between these 2 points QR is equal to distance between P and R. Then it is said that point Q is between P and R. Now let us see second possibility. Here P, R, Q are three distinct different collinear points. They lie on the same line or in a straight line. So here point R is the between the points P and Q. So here we can write point R is between points P and Q. And therefore, by using the formula of betweenness, distance between PR plus distance between the points RQ is equal to distance between the points PQ. Therefore, here we can say that point R is the between the points P and Q. Now let us see third possibility. Now here points R, P, Q are three distinct collinear points. They lie on the same line. Now here point P is between the points R and Q. Therefore, by using betweenness, we can write distance between RP plus distance between PQ is equal to distance between RQ. So here point P is the between the points R and Q. So for collinear points, we can write here P dash Q dash R. Meaning of these points P, Q, R are collinear. Now here point P, R, Q. So here P, R, Q means these 3 points are collinear and point R is the between the points P and Q. Here we can write R dash P dash Q. Meaning of these R, P, Q are collinear points which are distinct, and point P is the between the points R and Q. So let us see example. On a number line, points A, B, C are such that distance between AB is equal to 5, distance between BC is equal to 11, and distance between AC is equal to 6. Which of the points is between the other two. So which of the points A, B, C is between the other two? So here we have greatest length, that is distance between BC is equal to 11. Distance between AB is equal to 5 and distance between AC is equal to 6. So by using this greatest length, we can draw a diagram and we can take endpoints BC, which is given 11. Now AB is given 5, so we can take A, which is between the points B and C, and AB is given 5 and AC is given 6, and therefore 5 plus 6, that is we got total length of BC, that is 11. So here we can write point A is the between the points B and C, and therefore by using betweenness, we can write formula distance between BC is equal to distance between BA or AB plus distance between AC. So distance between BC is given 11, distance between the points AB, that is 5, and distance between AC, that is 6. Therefore here we got left hand side is equal to right hand side, 11 is equal to 11. Therefore here we can say that point A is the between the points B and C, where points BAC are distinct collinear points. So by using betweenness, we can solve any type of examples. Now let us see next examples in next video. Bye. Take care.